In this video, Bitcoin is right now forming a bullish reversal signs. And with that being said, we are now going to dive in with my next big trade. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So with that being said, let's now dive into this video and some quick recap muna. So in the previous Bitcoin price action, we just saw Bitcoin just went down dito. And then, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, what I am now going to wait out is for bullish indicators to form, which right now we haven't been seeing. But as you can see, if you're going to open the current charts right now, if you're going to look at the current Bitcoin price, especially in the 4-hour time frame, you will find that right now we are now starting to form a bullish divergence here in the 4-hour time frame, wherein the price is decreasing while RSI is increasing. So in that case, that those are bullish reversal signs na pwede natin makita with the Bitcoin price action. But the question right now is, when will we see this movement play out? So if you're going to look at this, we could have started forming a new resistance area dito. So ito, plot natin siya dito. So there could be a new resistance area forming dito. So this could form a broadening falling wedge, which is traditionally a bullish pattern to the upside. So this could continue downward dito. But ayun na nga, right now there are no clear indicators if we are going to continue or go back to the 85,000 US dollars. And if you're going to open the stochastic RSI in the daily time frame, you will find that we have made already a bullish cross in the daily time frame. So those are the usual signs na we are going to be back bullish. So as you can see sa previous movement ni Bitcoin dito sa area na to, nung time na nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross, we saw an uptrend dito kay Bitcoin. Same goes here. After this bullish cross, we saw an uptrend. So right now, we are now seeing that similar bullish cross. So this could indicate na for the rest or for the remaining of the week, we could see a bullish reversal nga dito. So in that case, what I am now going to do with my trade is I am going to open partially right now with my short-term long position. So I have opened partial dito kay Bitcoin at the 87,000 US dollars. And if let's say bumagsak pa siya lalo to 87,000 flat, then I am going to add more to my short-term long position. I will add margin. And yes, you can do that kay Wix. So ayun, that is my trading strategy dito. And then my point of invalidation would be around the 85,800. So if ma-reach yung area na yan, then siguro I will think about it if I'm going to close my trade or I am going to add more to my short-term long position. But as it stays dito ngayon, I will be placing my stop loss siguro around 86,469. So first entry is the current price action. Second entry is if bumagsak pa siya lalo to 87, then I'm going to add more to my margin. And then 86,427 is going to be my stop loss. Then ang magiging target nito, first target would actually be the 90,000 US dollars if we are going to go back dito with the Bitcoin price action. Next target dito would be going back to the 93,000 US dollars. So those are the two crucial areas dito na we are going to monitor, 90k and 93,000 US dollars, because those are the two crucial resistance now which have been consistent dito with the Bitcoin price action. As you can see, 90k has already been a consistent resistance dito. So even sa mga previous movement. So 90k will also be the similar target dito with the Bitcoin price action. And if you're going to extend this further, itong resistance area na to, you will find the 93k is also a similar resistance area dito with the Bitcoin price action. So those are two crucial things now we are going to monitor here with the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, I will be trading this guys for the very short term kay Wix kasi kay Wix mas okay mag-trade ng short term kasi pwede ka mag-open ng multiple trades and walang VPN required. Hindi nyo rin kailangan mag-KYC, walang verification. All you have to do is just to register, then mag-cash in lang kayo, register with my sign up link which you can find in the description down below, and then goods to go na yan para sa magiging upcoming trade nyo. And then after that, as you can see in the weekly time frame, you will find na right now we are still playing this bearish cross nitong death cross nitong 20 and 50 week moving average. But yun nga, tulad ng mga sabi ko sa mga previous video, we are expecting one last push to the upside. Similar with what Bitcoin has done sa mga previous movement. After the bearish cross, we saw a Bitcoin pump. So, ayan, that is what we are going to expect na ngayon dito. And I'm not sure why it's not loading, but ganun din yung nangyari sa mga previous movements wherein after that dead cross or bearish cross, we saw a one lash pump to the upside. So this could somewhat align yung nakikita natin dito na bullish divergence at the same time yung bullish cross in the stochastic RSI in the daily at the same time itong historical movement na nakikita natin with the weekly time frame. So all of those things are lining up for a potential short-term recovery, but long-term we are still in a bear market. So those are just a short-term trades lang, and it's actually more likely going to be one last call for us for you to sell your Bitcoin and altcoins, as that's at the same time it could be one of the best time also to open a long-term short position. So ayun guys, that is what I'm currently looking here with the crypto market, and yun yung mga update ko lang for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.